Bart Dickinson of Top Shoes is ready for vacation. He
Aren't we
has
all?
got a table full of things to make your travel a little easier. Good to have you again, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Main thing is we be comfortable on our vacation.
Right, yeah.
So we brought some things to start with. So, you know, we've got these Myra bags. We've got anything from we got bigger ones than this, just to have enough room on the table, but something you put all your stuff in when you go, but to the beach. And we got, you know, Oofos, Sandals, very comfortable, very good arch support. You could wear these on your vacation and be comfortable and get in the water, go to the beach.
Right.
We go from the beach. We got, you know, the Birkenstock now has a line of dressier sandals now that you can wear.
Cute.
The gold buckle is really big. They call that the big buckle. You got some shiny silver buckles here.
Yeah, Birkenstock stepping it up.
Yeah, I got a, you know, black patent with the.
Oh, that's you, Ansley, right there.
I know. I'd wear those for sure.
So it gives you a little more dressy twist
These a size 10?
than the casual, you know, Birkenstock, but that's still popular.
Of course, yeah, absolutely.
You got the Ameribags. If you're going to Europe, this is a serious good idea. So the way you can wear this, of course, I don't wear it this way, but it's very secure. So like you can put all your stuff in here and not have to worry about someone yanking this off your body.
Right.
You're in a crowd, you're shoulder to shoulder, you're very secure here. And you know, you carry it like this, it's a lot easier on your back.
Right.
This kidney shaped bag. But that's real important. We sell a lot of those.
Are all the bags in that brand that kidney shaped? Is that their distinctive sort of design?
They do anything
Is
from
this the same thing we're looking at?
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's different sizes. So this is kind of the middle. There's smaller and then there's bigger. The big ones you can put your whole house in and still carry it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
But most of them are carry-on size. Obviously, the big one is not. But all this would be easy.
Yeah, and inside the bag is, this one's got stuff in it, but there's all kinds of organizational pockets.
If you're one of those, please, I want to try one.
Yeah. If you're into, you know, not wanting to dig for stuff, you've got a place to hang your keys. You've got a place to put, you know, identification, your passport, your.
All the things you want to hold on to.
I like the zippers right here too.
Yes.
Like just easy access.
Yes.
That's nice.
And like I said, it's very secure, so you don't have to worry about somebody coming behind you and grabbing it off your body and running with it.
They're great because they're fashionable. It's something that Ansley might like, and something a little less, more conservative for guys.
And we have these, you know, that's a good point. We have these for guys or girls, and they're different fabrics. That's like, you know, microfiber. We got leather. We got prints. There's cotton. So lots of different textures, and you know, you can match with different stuff. So
you know, something you don't think about when you travel to. I'm thinking about specifically on an airplane or something like that. Is you really do need comfortable shoes and socks.
Yes, and that's one thing we want to stress. So we've got anything from, you know, you're going on a hiking vacation maybe, or you're going to be doing some hiking maybe in Europe. You don't want to look like a tourist. So we've got shoes that are kind of toned down. They don't say, hey, you know, I'm a runner, but you can wear this with casual as well as it's purposeful. You can hike in it, things like that. We can go anywhere from, you know, to a hiking boot. You know, we've got. That's
good looking.
Yeah, that you can do some serious hiking in. And then, like you were saying, comfortable walking. These are travel shoes. They're not. They're kind of in some earth tones. The athletic shoe companies have done a good job of making things toned down a little bit. They're not the bright green, the bright pink. They go with more clothes. You can wear this casual dress. You don't have to take a lot of different shoes with you on vacation, so you can pack light.
Yeah.
These are really cute. I like these a lot.
And that's another thing about the socks.
Right.
This don't gross you out, but like this sock is antibacterial. Okay. It's made to be worn multiple days without washing.
Really?
So
that does gross me out.
But because it doesn't hold bacteria and doesn't hold smell, it's moisture wicking.
I love it.
They say wear them a week at a time without washing one pair, the same pair. Like I said, if you're not on that, that's okay, but you can pack lighter that way.
Yeah, as I say, if you need to.
No question.
Yeah.
Only wear one pair of socks.
Some of us can stink up a pair of socks pretty quickly.
Well, these
not naming names.
Well, we'll test it one day or 1 week.
We'll do the test.
I like it.
I volunteer, Steve. Oh. That's funny. Well, where do we find you? Where are all your locations at?
So we have this at our main location in Benton on Interstate 30, and then Little Rock and Hot Springs. Those are the 3 Central Arkansas locations. We also have a store in Rogers if some of you travel up that way. But we've got lots of different things to make your life more comfortable on vacation.
Well,
So.
and nobody takes better care of you than Top Shoes, because if you're going to go in and you're going to buy a pair of shoes that you're going to travel in and go on vacation with, you need to get them fitted by people who know what they're doing, and this is what Bart and all his folks specialize in.
Yeah, don't be at Disney World and crying because your feet hurt.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No need.
It's a happy place,
Yes.
not.
It's the second happiest place on earth behind Top Shoes.
Well, thank you for your
Thank
time.
you.
Really
All right.
appreciate it.